Are you looking for a new job opportunity? Are you looking for a place you can really grow and learn and become part of a team, but also part of a family? Welcome to Sussex Campervans. My name's Daniel Lopez and I'm the Managing Director. Are you looking for somewhere where they see you as an individual and they see the whole person, not just a number, not just an employee? Are you looking for somewhere to grow and develop and learn new skills and be trained? You're looking for somewhere with diversity of opportunity, where there's lots of different things being done? Are you looking for somewhere where there's a nice team of people who can really get to know and enjoy being with? Are you looking to enjoy your work? If so, you should approach us at Sussex Campervans here in Horsham. This is one of the camper vans we've made and they're really popular. We've never been busier. We've got a long order book of vehicles we're building for people. We're not just a sales outfit. We make everything you see here on our site in Horsham. We're on a journey to improve how our work's set up. We have a bit of improvement time every day. We allocate the first half an hour of the day to doing things like making a simple tool board, organising our stuff and having ideas to make work easier and more enjoyable. If you'd like to not just join a new team, but join a new family, learn new stuff, then why not get in touch with us at Sussex Campervans? Just record us a quick 1 or 2 minute video telling us a bit about you and telling us why you'd love to come and get involved with working for us here, and send it to us. Email recruitment@sussexcampervans.com and we look forward to watching it. Take care and see you soon.